So guys, do you want to only allow your followings to tag you on Instagram? You're tired of everyone tagging you on Instagram. So I'm just going to tell you the exact way to do that. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app. And then after that, just come to your profile section. And in the profile section, just tap on the three lines on the top right. And go to settings and privacy option. In settings and privacy, just scroll a little bit until you get the option of tags and mentions. Just simply tap on that option, and then here you can see who can tag you. It is selected to everyone, and you are tired of everyone tagging you on Instagram. You want to just set it to your following. Just simply tap on allow tags from people you follow and tap on allow. So that's how you can easily allow your followings only to tag you on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll be catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more.